Frequency distribution is the first chapter of the statistics and probability unit, in which first we read data. Data is a very essential part of our life. Data means information or set of giving facts in numerical figure. The second point in this unit is statistics. It is a science which deals with the collection, presentation, interpretation, and analysis of numerical data. Third point is array. Array is also an important part. An arrangement of raw material data in ascending or descending order of magnitude is called an array. Now we discuss the following data gives the number of students in 15 families. This is the raw material. Now we make an array of the following data and construct a frequency table. First, arrange the giving data in ascending order. Take first 1, 1 and 1. Now we take 2, 2. Two is the 3 times in this table. 1, 2, 3. Now we take 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is also 3 times in the following data. So we take here 3, 3, 3. Now we take 4. 4 is also 3 times in this table. Now we take 5. 5 is also 3 times in this table. Now we construct a table here. First, divide this table into 3 parts. This is the complete table. In first column we take the number of student, number of student. In second column we take the tally marks. And in third column we take number of families. First we take number 1. In second column we take number 2, and in third we take third, and 4, 5. 1 is come 3 times in this table, so we can take here 3 tally marks, 1 2 3, and the number of families is, so number of the families is 3, and 2 is comes also 3 times, so we can take here 3, and 3 is also in 3 times, so we can take here 3, and 4 is 3 times also, so we take 3, and 5 is also 3 times, so we take 3 also here. If just suppose 4 is not 3 times here, 4 times, so we can take here 4 tally marks, but in this table there are only 3 times is 4, so we remove from here and also remove the tally marks from here. This is the complete solution of the following data. Now we read about the types of frequency distribution. Number 1, exclusive form. It can be easily understood by an example. Suppose the marks obtained by the student are given in this form. The class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and 20 to 30, etc. Suppose there are 3 students who get the marks between 0 to 10 in a class, and 5 students who gets the marks 10 to 20 in the class, and there are 6 students who gets the marks 20 to 30. So it is the exclusive form of the frequency distribution. Now we read about inclusive form. The class form according to this manner: 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. So this form, in exclusive form, there are the 0 to 10 and 10 to 20. Here end with the 10, and in next class start from 10, but in inclusive form there end the class of 10 but start from 11. It is called the inclusive form. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency corresponding to a class in the sum of all frequency up to the including that class. Now we take an example. First we make a table here. In this table, first we take marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and 20 to 30. There are 2 students who gets the marks 0 to 10, 3 students who gets the mark 10 to 20, and 5 students get the mark 20 to 30. This is the frequency of the students, and cumulative frequency is CE. Here we show by this CF, cumulative frequency. In first class we can take 2. Now next cumulative frequency is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Next cumulative frequency is 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So this is the cumulative frequency of the given class. this chapter is over.